Hello surveyor communities, welcome at our channel. Today our topic is how to export coordinates from AutoCAD to Excel, and we have a Lisp file. We can show you that how to use it. Okay, so suppose that this is our structure drawing and these points we have to export. So simply now go to draw menu and click on multi points. Okay, and click at the points which point you want to export. Next I will tell you why this is useful at site work and for demarcation work. Okay, these points with numbering in plan, the numbering will show, and those numbering coordinates you can export to Excel. So simply now type upload, and after that file location, Lisp file location, select that, load and close simply. Now you have to type P2XLS and enter. After it is asking for text height. This text height is numbering text height. Okay, you can give any as per your drawing. After that select the location of the file. I am selecting here desktop, and you can give the file name. After that save. Now select the points, or you can select all like this. Okay, select this, enter, and our coordinates had exported, and this is the numbering. Okay, this numbering, this is showing here, and which text height I was telling you, this text height, that is. Okay, so now I will, this is the file, this is the text file. Now I will open simple AutoCAD, simple Excel file. I had opened already. This is that file. So now I will open that. Okay, go to open. Now here select the file location. So our file at desktop, so I will go to desktop, and here you have to select all files because that was the data file. Select the file. After that fixed width, next, next, and finish. So these are your coordinates. First column is numbering, then easting, then northing. These 1 2 3 4, these numbering simple, that numbering which is in plan, this numbering 1 2 3 like this. Okay, so when you will go to site and you have complicated structure, you can give this type of numbering and this coordinate list, and this is very easy at site for demarcation. Okay, now let me reconfirm. I will put this formula here, and I will put polyline with these coordinates. Okay, so I had set the formula. Now I will copy this polyline. I had changed the color this for this polyline, so you can confirm that our coordinates has exported correctly. Okay, I will paste here, and you can see this is the line. So these coordinates we have exported. Okay, you can use this command as per your choice or your requirement. So for example, we have the center line of our highway. This is a 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, anyone. Now I will show you the example. Suppose that this is a 200-meter line, and we have to take center line coordinates at 10 meter. Okay, so what I will do, simply I will put here one point. Okay, this length should be exact which you want, I mean exact partition. Okay, now 200, and I will take 10 meter offset. Simply hatch, not hatch, array command. After that I will put this 10 meter, and you can see our these points are in offset of 10 meter. Okay, so I want to export these points with numbering. Okay, so simply we have to use P2XLS, enter, text height, we have to mention text height. After that file location where we have to save that file, then type here file name, what file name you want to give this. I simply type export. After that save, select all, enter, and you can see these numbering already marked here, and coordinate for these points or these numberings exported. Okay, so now I will show you in Excel. these points. So simply close this file first because this is our old one, and I will open new Excel. We have to open new Excel. After that, go to open the file, select file location, all files, and our file was export. I had gave export name, simply next and finish. So you can see these are the numbering, then easting and northing 1 to 21. So these are the 1 to 21. So you can export your centerline data also same like this. I showed you only 200-meter example, but you can take any length. For this is our highway center line, and we can export all center line coordinates like this with numbering. But remember, this center line length should be fixed and divided equally. Okay, so thank you for this. If you need this list file, you can comment your mail ID and we will mail you this. Thank you. Bye.